Hello and welcome. Do you know in AWS RDS we have three different ways to improve our database performance. One, read replica, we already discussed about it. Then we have RDS proxy, then understand. In this video, we are going to talk about third option known as ElastiCache. So let's start.
Hello and welcome. I hope you are enjoying our AWS series. You know, we have big plan to add Azure series, even videos for each and every DevOps technologies. But for this, we want some support from you guys. You can support us by only doing two things. First, subscribe to this channel. And yes, only subscribe to this channel if you are thinking that this videos is actually giving you some values. It will help you to pass any AWS exam like AWS Cloud Practitioner, Solution Architect Associate, or even Solution Architect Professional. Second thing is, share these videos with other IT professionals. Learning process is actually not expensive. If you are getting better or proper instructor or a mentor, it will really help you to develop your skill. If you are thinking that we are providing you a proper right path to improve your skill, your friends also deserve this, right? And for this, you have to share this channel videos with them. So, I am just requesting you to do these two tasks for me. One, subscribe to our channel and share with other IT professionals. Thank you. Now you can continue your video.
First of all, I want you to find out from where we are getting this particular option. So if you go to your database and go to the actions, here you will get create ElastiCache cluster. Now when you are going to create this ElastiCache cluster, it is asking about cluster type, deployment option. We need to understand all this, but we will discuss about all of this in the part 2. This is part 1, and the main aim of this particular part is to clear your fundamentals of ElastiCache cluster. Here I am going to use this particular mind map to explain you about basics of ElastiCache. First of all, what is cache? A cache is a temporary storage area where frequently accessed data is stored. The purpose of cache is to make data retrieval faster for systems and applications by avoiding repeated fetching of the same data from the slower source like a database and file system. Overall, we need to improve performance and we want to decrease number of queries actually my database is handling. Now in this case, I'm going to add another layer of cache in front of my database. I want that whenever user is coming to access my database, they can pass through the caching layer, and if they are going to get data from the cache, no need to worry, they are not coming to the database itself. So we are going to add one extra layer in which we are going to store frequently accessed data, and this is going to improve performance of my database. It means when we are going to talk about caching, it is a storage in which we are actually storing frequently accessed data, right? Now, the question is how this particular storage is going to improve my performance. One of the answer is it is in-memory storage. Means in normal circumstances, database is actually going to store all the data in hard drive or SSD. While we are using this caching layer, it is actually using in-memory database. It means they are actually using RAM to store this caching data. In-memory storage means storing data directly in a computer's memory instead of hard disk. Memory is much faster than the hard disk, making in-memory storage incredibly faster for accessing data. So basically this is our main database. Here we have this caching layer, and if the caching layer is storing data into the RAM, we call it in-memory caching, right? Now this particular caching layer is actually improving our performance. I'm going to provide you more detail about it. No need to worry, but I hope you got complete understanding about caching and in-memory storage, right? Now, what is ElastiCache? Now, ElastiCache is a combination of both. Amazon ElastiCache is an AWS service that provides managed cache in the cloud. So let's say that if you have your database and if you want to set up caching layer for your database, you do not need to provision or buy any server or any operating system or nothing. You are going to get ready to use service known as ElastiCache. It is a managed service, so you have ready to use environment. ElastiCache is an in-memory, means very faster key value store and type of NoSQL database. This is the most important part. Keep this in mind, because if you are giving cloud practitioner exam, they're asking one question as well, that ElastiCache is which kind of database, and then the answer is NoSQL database, designed for high performance, schema free data storage, making it ideal for caching, session management and real-time analytics. See, most of the people is saying that, ElastiCache is only used to improve the performance of RDS database. No, they are wrong. Keep this in mind. ElastiCache is a specific AWS service and you can use it with many other services, and the main use case is like to caching the data, session management and real-time analytics. Here, because we are learning RDS, definitely we will use ElastiCache for caching of our RDS database, which is going to improve the performance. But this is not only use case of ElastiCache. ElastiCache is not just for RDS. It is a standalone caching layer that can integrate with many types of database application and use cases. Definitely in upcoming days, we'll discuss about this as well. But right now, our main concentration is to use ElastiCache with RDS. So here I am going to start with ElastiCache for RDS. Here we have introduction. Amazon ElastiCache for RDS means using ElastiCache as a tool to speed up your Amazon RDS database. We want to increase capacity of our RDS database. We want to improve read performance. So we want to add one extra layer of caching that we can do using ElastiCache. ElastiCache is like a quick access memory that stores frequently used data temporarily. Now see, my aim is to explain you all the services of AWS RDS using very easy way. Right now you are learning, you can able to remember everything about ElastiCache, but maybe after 1 month or 2 months, when you are going to give exam or interview, if they will ask you some difficult question, definitely there will be confusion for you, right? So that's why whenever I am trying to explain you anything, I want you to understand the main concept of the things, and you can even remember in any case. So I thought like, okay, how I can do this? So my idea is to go with the pictures. When you will see any pictures, it will be very easy for you to understand the things. Now, I'm going to give you live example of this. Here, I have one ElastiCache cluster for RDS picture. You can remember the whole concept of ElastiCache using this particular picture. I'm going to explain you whole picture step by step, but this is one point. It is only that you need to remember, okay? So here I'm going to open this particular picture, have ElastiCache for RDS.
Sorry, I know that you want to watch full video, but full video is now not available on YouTube. If you want to watch full video, I want you to go to our website. When you will go to our website, you will find out our course 100 Days YouTube Challenge. I want you to enroll for this course by paying only 499 rupees for lifetime if you are from India. If you are from outside of India, you just need to pay $7 US. Once you will enroll to this course, you are going to get all full videos over there on our portal. You are also going to get certificate after completing the course, and We have just uploaded 120 videos. We are going to upload another 120 videos as well. So there will be total 240 videos. I hope we are going to meet inside the class. Thank you very much.